So like I said, top of the cymbal, tip of the stick, you're not mashing it on the side. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're back at the Broken Down Drum Kit and we're continuing our conversation on getting back to basics with drum sounds. And we're focusing on our ride cymbal today. Now with cymbals, you can get a lot of varied sounds out of them depending on where you're hitting on the cymbal, how you're approaching it with the stick, all of that. We're just going to kind of focus on our basic ride sound today. And the way you achieve that is you hit on top of the cymbal with the tip of the stick. Kind of a nice pingy ring to it. So like I said, top of the cymbal, tip of the stick, you're not mashing it on the side. I see some younger students do that when they first start playing on cymbals. That's not necessarily what we're going for. The other thing is you want to make sure that there's some bounce in the stick. You're not closing your fingers. There needs to be some space there. If we close our fingers, kind of mutes the cymbal and doesn't let it ring. So find those sweet spots on your cymbals, get to know your cymbals, and see what sounds you can come up with. I'll see you guys next week.